Welcome to Complete Traffic Science Guide for Every Driver. Let's start. No stopping. And traffic merges from the right. No entry for vehicular traffic. Pedestrians ahead. No through road. Turn left ahead. Staggered junction. Hump bridge. Minimum speed. Vehicles exceeding width prohibited. No cycling. End of dial carriageway. Side road from left. Deep. No overtaking. No vehicles carrying explosives. Steep descent. Road narrows on the left. Turn right ahead. Bend to right. Road narrows on the right. Steep ascent. No motor vehicles. Two-way traffic. Uneven road. Traffic merges from the left. Road narrows on both sides. Cycle route ahead. Vehicles exceeding length prohibited. Maximum speed. Tunnel. Cross roads. Bend to left. T junction. Zebra crossing. Stop. Side road from right. No waiting. Ahead only. One-way traffic. Subscribe for more informative videos. Like, share, and comment.